What's up, guys? It's your boy Dfresh in the building, guys. What we're going to do today, we are going to go over a simple trading setup that you can be able to identify and dominate during the live trading session. So, guys, I hope you got your pens and paper in line. This is going to be a good one. Do me a favor. If you know somebody that's out there that's struggling with entries and exits and need a setup that they can identify, then go ahead and send this video to them. Send this video to your friends, family, anybody that you know that just need that extra little push to be able to make money in this rough market that we're dealing with. So, guys, before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's go ahead and get it. Guys, I got the Tesla chart set up right now. That's what you currently looking at. We're going to go over the opening range breakout. Guys, we're going to do it the fresh way. This is how I identify this setup, and this is how I play it. So everybody got their own way how to play it, whether they, looking at the previous day's high, the previous day's low. I'm not even worried about that. I'm not going to put that on. I'm going to give a simple setup. I'm going to show you step by step. That way, when you see it, you can master it. So, guys, what we want to do, we want to look for that opening candle. This is Thursday's setup. Here's that opening candle right here. You drag your cursor over it. It shows you Thursday, February the 27th at 9:30 a.m. That is the start. We want to identify that whole candle, the top of the wick to the bottom of the wick. And how you do that, you go to your drawings setup, you scroll down to geometric shapes, and you go down to rectangle. Now, what I'm going to do, I draw that one green so I can know it throughout the session where it's at. That's green. So boom, that's there. So now what I want to do, I want to go back and do the same thing. I want to go back and I want to draw it at the bottom of that wick. Here we go. All right. So guys, this is going to be simple. As you see, I don't have EMAs on here. I don't have anything on here. I've just got the opening candle and the closing candle identified or highlighted. So I would encourage throwing EMAs on here, and I'll show you why as we get through this video. But what you are looking for after you identify this, you are just sitting back, waiting patient. And guys, the most important thing about this is not letting Wall Street control your emotions. They are always trying to do something to trick you into a play or trick you into getting out of a play. We're better than that. We're not going to let them control our emotions. We are not going to let FOMO take over because we're going to sit back and wait patient. So with this setup, you see that next candle, it blew right through our opening candle. It paused, it got rejected, it came down. Now what you see this candle, it goes through our low. Now what you want to see to the upside, you want to see these candles boom back up through here, come back down and test that green line before a breakout. But right now we're playing the downside. This is a bearish setup. So on the downside, what you want to see them blow through that low and come all the way down to another key area. You can go on your chart and draw out a key area. Once they go down, what you want to see a retest of that low, of the opening low candle. And you see that retest right here. They came up here, they broke through it. They was unable to get to where we're going to look at the bull setup. Right now, we're still looking at that bearish setup. They were unable to get any higher. What's happening? They coming back down. So what we want to look for, we're not just going to get in on that candle right there. We want to look for a breakout, and we want to look for our first candle that's close to our low before we set up. As you see, this would have been an invalid setup. I wouldn't have jumped into that candle right there because it is away from our opening low. So I'm not going to get into that candle. This is where you don't let FOMO get into you. Oh man, it hit the line. It's a rare candle. I'm jumping in. No, we want to get as close as we can to that candle and just sit back. So we wait for the retest. We wait for another shot. It comes back up. What happens? They get rejected again. We're not getting into that candle because the wick is over the low of the opening. We getting in this candle right here because it's still close to our opening low and it's no wick is touching it. It's up under. here, we jumping into that candle. You can do two things. You can set your stop loss at that candle of the low, or you can set it up here at that high. It's either or. You choose where you want to set it. What I would do, I'd probably set it right here at the top of the previous high that broke that low. I would jump right here. This is where I put my stop loss at. I'm diving into this candle right here. Check this out. Boom. I got me a nice return on that right there. This is in the 5-minute setup. So guys, this works in the 5-minute setup. You can use it in the 15. You can use it wherever you want to use it at, but I'm using it in the 5 minutes. So when you trading in the 5-minute and you scalping, you don't want to sit in these plays all day. You want to get in, get your money, and get out. Don't even worry about a dollar amount. Look at your percent. You up 25, 30%. That is a good scalp in a day trade. But again, if you got your stop loss set, you just sitting back and you waiting to see what the results are. And you check this result. It went up. It came back. It didn't smack our stop loss because we set it up somewhere over here. It's still up under our stop loss. And if you was a little bit more greedier, you set your stop loss here or either right there. And what happens? It comes right back down. Boom. Now, guys, if you're scalping and you are taking your profit right here, this is why I said it's important. It's okay to use EMAs on this right here because it's another setup that I give with EMAs. This is how you know the play is ready to go back left. We done made our money. And look at this candle. Once we look at my entry candle, this is how we put it all together. My entry candle was right here. What is it up under? It's up under the 9 EMA, my yellow line. The 9 EMA, it's up under that 20. We good to go. Long as we up under that 9 EMA, we making money. And soon as that 9 EMA, we get a candle that start closing above that 9 EMA, it's time to get out of that play. We done made our money. So now we looking for another entry. They went back up. They tested this thing right here. We rinse and repeating. We scrolling over. We looking for the next candle that close up under. This one right here. We diving in. What do you see? The 9 EMA just crossed up under that 20 and we playing that play down. Boom. We still in that play. We dominating. We making money. So guys, that's a quick setup that you can identify and make money in the trading session, guys. And it just don't work in Tesla. This is from the same day. Let's go to SPY. And I already got it drawn out in SPY. And if you paying attention to SPY, man, SPY gave you even better. Here's the opening candle. As you see, you drag your cursor, you see 930. Look, we drew it out. Soon as they opened, they boom. And then what happened? Man, this almost got me because I almost FOMO because you see that red candle. What do you want to do? Man, it went up here. I want to get in it. You don't. You let nature take its course because it's going to always come back. And check this out. It gave us that big drop down and we're sitting back like, man, I missed it. No, you sit back and you be patient. Patience is the number one thing that you got to have in this game. You start having patience and wait on a setup, a proper setup, you're going to start dominating in this market. But look at this. They ran down and what happens? Look at this wick. Look at this wick right here. It ran down. It came right back to our area. We sitting back. Now we just waiting on a setup. Now, what happened the very next candle? It closed up under. We diving into that candle. The 9 EMA is still up under. We're going to set our stop loss to this candle right here, or you can set it to the opening high of that breakout. And then we just waiting. And you see, boom, that thing comes down. It comes back to try to test it. It never gets to your stop loss. What happens? You still making money, or if you scalping, you getting out soon as that 9 EMA cross over and you waiting for another setup. They come up here, they unable to take it. You can jump back into that candle right there because that 9 EMA is crossing up under that 20 again. And you see what happened? Boom, they run it down again. All right. So you still into that play. You see the 9 EMA cross that 20. You get out of that play. You secure that profit. They go back up. And what happened? If you just playing that 9 EMA cross, that first candle that cross up under there, you diving into this play right here and check this right here out. And guys, if you just playing off your stop loss, you remember when we first jumped into that candle, we're right here. Our stop loss right here. We still sitting back in this play. We're still making making money in this play right here. So yeah, it went up, guys. The stock market is never going to give you a straight boom up all the way and a straight drop. They going to go in roller coasters. And you see, it still never kicked our stop loss if you are a swing trader and you just not playing that 9 EMA and 20 and you're just sitting back, you sitting waiting on that to hit your stop loss. Man, look at this play. Look what this play did after that. Look at this. Boom. This play is still dropping and is still respecting that 9 EMA. Boom. Look at that. That is a crazy move. If you took that play 595.60 all the way, you wrote that thing all the way down to 584.70. That is a crazy play right there. So guys, it just don't work in this. It works in futures too. I played this play Thursday night and I made over $1,000 on this play right here. Let's go find it. Here we go. Here we go in this one. You see, let's scroll backwards. This is live right now, but you scroll. All right, you see, put your cursor on that. That's the opening candle, 6 p.m. when the futures open. So we draw our line out there. We chop. We came down. We went up. We hit that line. They went over a little bit. We waiting for the first candle to close. The 9 is up under the 20. Look, boom. Look, we went back out. All right. The 9 never went over the 20. Plus, we set our stop loss at the high of that breakout. We still into that play right there. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. You got that long wick that came down. It came back up. We still in this play. Look. Boom. Now you get out, you see that 9 EMA crossover. And usually when that 9 EMA crossover, the bulls ready to try to take over. And as you see, that's what they did. They went in, they took over, and now, you know, they're running up right there. So guys, this is a quick, easy setup that you guys can make money on. Guys, I hope this added value to your trading plan. Guys, this is just another tool that you can put in your toolbox to help go along with your plan and be able to master this market in the live session. So guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there and let's get it. Boom.